Hello students, my name is Mohit Saxena and today's topic graphically method of a solution of a pair of linear equation. So in this topic कैसे हम represent करते हैं linear equation को and how to represent linear equation in a graph. So suppose two equations are given, a1x b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. This is equation number 1. And second equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. Two equations are given. So there have three conditions are formed. So first condition a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2. So in this case lines are intersecting. तो यहाँ पे इस केस में क्या होगा, अगर ये रेशियोज इक्वल नहीं हुए तो लाइंस क्या करेंगी, इंटरसेक्ट. लाइंस आर intersecting means suppose one line is AB and second line is PQ, both are intersect at one point. Second case, if A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 is equals to C1 upon C2. So A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2 and C1 upon C2. अगर ये केस फॉर्म होता है तो लाइंस आर coincident. What is mean by coincident? Coincident means suppose a line AB, one line AB which is equals to 5 centimeter, then another line have same dimension and overlap to the AB. So another line PQ which is also 5 centimeter और ये किसको कर रहा है ओवरलैप, AB को. तो ये क्या हो रहा है, कोइंसाइड्स हो रहा है. तो इसके सारे पॉइंट दोनों इक्वेशन के क्या होंगे, सेम होंगे. ऑल पॉइंट्स आर सेम एंड ओवरलैप टू द ईच अदर. नेक्स्ट कंडीशन A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 is not equals to C1 upon C2. So in this case lines are parallel. If A1 upon A2 and B1 upon B2 are equal, but C1 upon C2 are not equal, constant ratio are not equal. So lines are parallel. What is the parallel? Parallel means two lines does not meet each other. वो लाइन कभी भी मिल नहीं सकती, दोनों लाइंस. So it is called parallel. So discuss some question based on graph. So question is, five x minus 4y plus 8, equation number 1, and second equation 7x plus 6y minus 9. So which condition is follow? Lines are parallel, coincident or intersecting. So which type of equations, which type of lines are formed in a graph? ये लाइन किस टाइप की होंगी, ये इंटरसेक्टिंग होगी या पैरेलल होगी या कोइंसिडेंट होगी. चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. लेट स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन सॉल्यूशन. सो इक्वेशन नंबर 1 इज 5x minus 4y. So A1 is equals to 5. A1 is the coefficient of x and B1 is equals to minus 4 and C1 is equals to 8. So next equation 7. A2 is equals to 7, B2 is equals to 6 and C2 is equals to minus 9. So first we check A1 upon A2. A1 upon A2 is equals to 5 by 7 and B1 upon B2 is equals to minus 4 by 6 and 4 by 6 simplest form is divisible by 2 minus 2 by 3 and C1 upon C2 8 by minus 9. So first we compare A1 upon A2 and B1 upon B2. So A1 अपॉन A2 इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू B1 अपॉन B2। यहाँ पे A1 अपॉन A2 क्या है, 5/7 एंड B1 अपॉन B2 -2/3। सो बोथ आर नॉट इक्वल, सो इट इज इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन्स। तो ये किस टाइप की लाइन्स फॉर्म होंगी, इंटरसेक्टिंग, किसी सिंगल पॉइंट पे दोनों लाइन मीट करेगी और इंटरसेक्ट करेगी। तो ये था हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, कैसे हम पता करते हैं कि लाइन हमारी किस टाइप की होगी, इंटरसेक्टिंग, पैरेलल और कोइंसिडेंट। ओके, आई ट्राई नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। तो क्वेश्चन इज 9x + 3y + 12 is equals to 0 and 18x + 6y + 2 is equals to 24 is equals to 0. Solution. So A1 is equals to 9, B1 is equals to 3 and C1 is equals to 12 and A2 is equals to 18, B2 is equals to 6 and C2 is equals to 24. Then A1 upon A2 is equals to 9/18, 9/18 cancel, 1/2 and B1 upon B2 is equals to 3/6 cancel, 1/2 and C1 upon C2 is equals to 12/24 cancel is equals to 1/2. So all ratios are 1/2, 1/2, 1/2 and A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 is equals to and C1 upon C2. So in this case, three ratios are equal, then lines are coincident. Coincident means one line overlap to the another line. Suppose this is the AB line and another line PQ have same dimension and overlap to the AB. तो इसका रिजल्ट क्या होगा, लाइन्स आर कोइंसिडेंट, लाइन्स आर कोइंसिडेंट। क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप आपको ये कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हुआ होगा, कैसे हम ग्राफिकली फाइंड कर सकते हैं किसी भी टू लीनियर इक्वेशन को, पैरेलल, इंटरसेक्टिंग एंड कोइंसिडेंट। सो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, so consistent and inconsistent. So inconsistent equations are consistent and inconsistent. So inconsistent lines are parallel. So parallel lines are inconsistent and consistent lines are intersecting lines or coincident lines. So consistent means जिसमें intersecting और coincident lines होंगी वो consistent में आएंगी और inconsistent में parallel लाइन्स होंगी हमारी। सो स्टूडेंट, क्वेश्चन इज 3x + 2y is equals to 5 and 2x - 3y is equals to 7. तो इक्वेशन इज कंसिस्टेंट और इनकंसिस्टेंट। फर्स्ट वी फाइंड A1, A2, A3. A1 is equals to 3, B1 is equals to 2 and C1 is equals to 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equals to 0. So this is a standard form of the linear equation. So C1 is equals to -5 and equation 2, 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equals to 0. So A2 is equals to 2 and B2 is equals to -3 and C2 is equals to -7. So A1 upon A2 is equals to 3/2 and B1 upon B2 is equals to 2y minus 3. So A1 upon A2 is not equals to B1 upon B2. A1 upon A2 is not equals to B1 upon B2, so it is consistent line. It is consistent. Okay, another example based on inconsistent. Question is 2x minus 3y is equals to 8 and 4x minus 6y is equals to 9. So first we convert into the standard form. 2x minus 3y and minus 8 is equals to 0 and 4x minus 6y minus 9 is equals to 0. Solution: a1 is equals to 2, b1 is equals to minus 3 and c1 is equals to minus 8 and a2 is equals to 4, b2 is equals to minus 6 and c2 is equals to minus 9. Then a1 upon a2 is equals to 2 by 4 and b1 upon b2 is equals to minus 3 by minus 6 and c1 upon c2 is equals to minus 8 by minus 9. So 2 divisible by 4, 1 by 2 and minus 3 divisible by minus 6, 1 by 2 and minus minus cancel, 8 by 9. Next step, a1 upon a2 1 by 2 and b1 upon b2 1 by 2. So a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 and which is not equals to c1 upon c2. और ये कंडीशन कौन सी फॉर्म हुई? पैरेलल पे, और पैरेलल पे हमारी कंडीशन क्या होती है? इनकंसिस्टेंट. सो इट इज inconsistent equation. So today we have discussed what is graphically method of solution of linear equation two variable, how to represent a linear equations of two variable on a graph in three different conditions like intersecting lines, parallel and coincident, and next topic is consistent and inconsistent equations. So I hope student आपको concept clear हुआ होगा. Thank you.